Queensbury and Glens Falls, New York give off a historic aura, one that harkens back to a time of American growth. And while it may not look or feel like Silicon Valley out here, it is home to a company on the cutting edge of its industry. That would be Ergo Robotics Solutions, fulfilling today's robotics needs while manufacturing here at home. We're a bit off the beaten path here for sure. It's a little colder than we're used to in Texas. Plenty of snow. What makes this region so integral to Ergo Robotics? Why stay here?
Well, it's nice because we're kind of out in a spacious area. We have a lot of room to breathe, so to speak, but we're also close proximity to, say, like New York City and other major metros, Boston. Not only we have the room to grow and to expand, but we also are close enough to service some of the biggest customers in the world.
Check back into MarketScale.com to watch the full episode and see how Ergo's machines reflect the unique and storied history of manufacturing in the area. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on everything made in America.